Hi dear students, hearty welcome to online class. Our world go through in a dangerous situation, coronavirus. You don't bother about it because our school management, headmaster Jimshah sir, all teachers, staff and God with you. Okay, how are you? Fine. Well, I am also fine. Are you enjoy with your vacation? Okay. I also enjoy my vacation. Okay. Now, I introduce myself. I am Shiba from Nanmanda, your maths teacher. Okay. Your first chapter is parallel lines. Have you got about it? We have already learned such concept, angle, right angle, drawing parallel lines using different method. Okay, I think you already studied about in 5th or 6th standard. Line. What is meant by line? We get a line by joining 2 points. We get a line by joining 2 points. Look at these figures. We get a line joining 2 points. Got it? Okay. I asked you another questions for you. 2 lines meet at a point. 2 lines meet at a point. Look at this figure. Here look, 2 lines meet at a point. What's the difference between these 2 lines? Here 1 line by joining 2 points. Okay, follow, got it? Okay, very good. Here second part. Second figure look here. 2 lines meet at a point or intersect here. Intersect means meet here. Follow. I think I already says you all take your notebook and note at this point, and after my class you completed this notebook and show me through the WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay. Next I show here some figures. Look. Pair of lines. Pair of lines. Pair of horizontal lines. Pair of horizontal lines. Pair of horizontal lines. Here, pair of vertical lines. Pair of vertical lines, pair of horizontal line and pair of slope line. Slope. Here look. What about these lines? These lines which keep same distance throughout everywhere. These lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines and slope lines, which keep these lines same distance throughout everywhere. Here look, these lines keep same distance. Got it? Write your notebook. Okay. Here also look a slope. These lines look here. These lines also keep same distance throughout everywhere. Never meet. Okay. Here look. Never meet these slope line. Okay. Here look vertical lines. Vertical line. Here look, these lines, look here, these lines also keep same distance everywhere, never meet anywhere. We called them parallel lines. These are parallel lines. Once more, which lines? These lines keep same distance everywhere, never meet. Got it? Okay. Now look at another figures. Look here. Look these figures. Look, three figures here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, look at these figures. 1, 2, 3 figures here. First of all, I explain here these figures. Got it? This. Okay. Now look at this. We can see that never meet. We can see that never meet. But if we extend these lines, if we extend these lines to right side, do they meet? They would meet. Okay. Second figure, look here. First we can see that never meet. Okay. If we extend the left side, we extended, do they meet? They will meet. Okay. That's also the third figure, look here. That's also first we can see that never meet. But we extended it, two lines extended in downward, two lines extended in downwards, that time they meet. This is not a parallel line, but first figures slope, horizontal lines and vertical lines. These are parallel lines. Okay, follow? Okay, very good. These second pictures 1, 2, 3. These figures are not a parallel line. Okay, okay, very good. I show a chart. Here look. What about the lines extending? This is a rectangle. You know rectangle. What is meant by rectangle? Opposite sides are same distance. Opposite sides are same distance and four sides. Okay, that's a rectangle. Here look, four sides, rectangle. These rectangles we want to extend right side, extended these two pair of lines extended here. We extended these two lines. Okay, we get a parallel lines. Here same distance everywhere, same distance keep throughout everywhere, but never meet. These rectangles are a parallel line. Here look, left side, this left side of a rectangle, look here, that's also we extended. If we extended this left part of this rectangle, we extended it, never meet. This is a parallel line. Got it? Okay. Next, again another rectangle here. That's here top part. This is a bottom part. If we extended the top part of the rectangle, if we extend the top part of the rectangle, never meet. They keep same distance everywhere, never meet. Okay, got it? Never meet. Look here, the bottom sides of a rectangle. we extended it, if we extended downward, here this is a parallel line. Keep same distance everywhere, never meet. So, all rectangles are a parallel lines. Got it? Okay, here look at this quadrilateral. What is meant by quadrilateral? 4 sides. Look, 4 sides and 4 angle. That's a quadrilateral. Look at these figures. If we extend the right side of the quadrilateral, that's keep same length throughout everywhere. Never meet. They're parallel. But here look, left side of a quadrilateral, if we extended left side of a quadrilateral, there also a parallel. But if we look top side of a quadrilateral, if we extend the top sides of a quadrilateral, they will meet. That's also here bottom side downward, bottom sides of this quadrilateral never meet, but one side here top side meet. Look at this quadrilateral. Does any pair of opposite sides meet here? Look, these all sides are different measures here. These 4 sides are different measures here. Okay, follow. Got it? First figure, opposites one sides are same, but here 4 sides of a quadrilateral, different measure here. Sometimes we want to extend upward and right side and left side and downward. That time we get these meet together. Okay, these lines meet together. Follow, these quadrilateral, this not a parallel because not a same to all side, different measures. Follow, got it? Okay, now look at these figures. Look at 2 figures here. First figure, look, the distance. Second figure, distance, look. First figure denote a same distance, not a same distance. That continues go, they throughout, not everywhere, they will meet. But here look, these parallel do not meet. So, this line is parallel line. Got it? I asked you some examples of parallel lines. Anybody know the class? Say that answer. Okay, rail. Anybody? Okay, stand up. Say that answer. Road, notebook, text, and this also, this blackboard. Look here. This blackboard, same distance keep. Okay, that length side and breadth side. This is a rectangle blackboard. Okay, look here the horizontal line. This is a horizontal line. That's the length of a rectangle. Follow, already know about this in 5th or 6th standard. This is the horizontal line. This is the length of a rectangle. Here, this is the vertical line, 2 side opposite vertical line. This is the breadth of a rectangle. Okay, follow this. Now, don't you how to draw a rectangle? Don't you know? Now look. Look, first we want to draw 5 centimeter horizontal line. 5 centimeter horizontal. Okay. This is the length of a rectangle. Next to vertical. Vertical. This is the breadth of a rectangle. Then we joined again, draw a horizontal line. Horizontal. This is the length. This is the length of a rectangle. That was here 5 centimeter. That also same. Measure here 5 centimeter. This breadth 3 centimeter. So, this side also, right sides of a breadth also, okay, very good, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. The opposites are same distance, same, and here breadth opposite 3 centimeter, and here length 5 centimeter. Follow? Okay, very good. Please note that have you a computer or laptop in your hand? Look here. Application. Education. GeoGebra. Okay. Application, GeoGebra and geometry. You click this. Okay. You click, then it maximize, and there are some tools, different types of tools there. Then draw a different types of size and shapes there, rectangle, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, and different types of parallel lines draw with this. Okay. Not at this point, first you click this, have a computer or laptop, that you first click them, application, education, GeoGebra and geometry. Click, there are some tools that you take it, that tools and draw different type of parallel lines, quadrilateral, rectangle, squares and different shapes draw. Okay. Follow, you practice it, not at the point. Application, education, GeoGebra and geometry. Follow, got it? Okay, very good. Now, this is a set square. Already know about this set square. This measurement already know about in 5th or 6th standard. Here 30 degree, 30 degree. Then opposite side 60 degree. Then here 90 degree. Totally 180. 30 degree. Here 60 degree, here 90 degree, then totally 180 degree. Okay. We want to draw here a rectangle, use this set squares. Okay. Look here. Look. Here look, if we want to any point not on a line we get a parallel line. We use these set squares and draw that. Okay. Any point not on a line, we get a parallel. Look this figure. First, if we put here and shifting upward, and this corner point here, and draw a line. We get a parallel line. Okay, follow, got it? Here same distance everywhere, never meet. This is a parallel line. That's also here, this set square here. Then if we shifting downward, then look, here never meet. These lines keep same distance everywhere, never meet. If we here draw a parallel lines, got it? We use these set squares and draw a parallel lines. Okay, follow? Now draw these figures. Okay, got it? Next, we draw a line. Already we study about this line. Okay, already we study about this line, first one. We get a line by joining two points. We get a line by joining two points, already know that. Okay, here we want to draw this. Here look, using set square and touch this line and draw a line. And here point. Okay, here draw a point. Then again put here this set square, take, again put the end point of the line. This set square put here and touch this point here. This is 60 degree part of a set square, put here and draw again. Here look, slanted line. Here we get a slanted line using with this set square, slanted line. Okay, here look, this bottom side up, top side, right side and left side. If we extended the top side of a slanted line and if we extended the bottom side of a slanted line and right side of a slanted line, right side here, these lines, okay, here left side of a slanted line if we extended, that's same distance everywhere, never meet, got it? Never meet. So slanted line also a then I can say, okay, very good. Slanted line also a parallel line. First of all, I say rectangle also a parallel line. Okay, got it? Remember, square also a parallel line. So many examples there. Okay, I think you find it the examples of parallel lines and write in your notebook. Okay, this is the slanted line. Okay, then we draw If we join this, if we join the slanted line, here first right side, left side, bottom part, and if we wanted to top part of the quadrilateral, then if we joined quadrilateral, okay, quadrilateral, that's a parallel line, so called the parallelogram. Like this quadrilateral as a parallel, so we called them parallelogram. Okay, do you remember that parallel, that keep same distance everywhere, never meet, are called parallel. Like this quadrilateral also a parallel, so we called them parallelogram. Next rectangle also a parallel, and square already know that. Okay, next we take a protractor. Okay, this measurement already you know about, in 5th or 6th standard you know this. Okay, now I explain. Yes, what is this? This is a line. We get a line by joining 2 points. Okay, then we take a protractor, and first we want to take this central part of the protractor, put the first point of the line. Follow? First point of the line, putting there. Follow? You take your protractor and draw like this. Okay, are you ready? First we draw a line, then 2 points there, then take a protractor and center of the protractor putting in the first point. Ready? Are you ready? Okay, I am ready, you are ready. Protractor, and here also correct 0 to this point. Look here, 0, here sit 0, look here center, same to same, then we want to find it 40 degree here, here pointed, how much? 40 degree, 40 degree, then draw, join this, here point 40 degree, okay, then we joined it, then we joined 40 degree, how much degree? 40 degree. Then again the right side of a line, look, the end point, this is a starting point, here end point, look here. Again we take our protractor and center of the protractor put here the end point of a line. Where? Ready? Are you ready? Okay, end point of a protractor and touch there. Then we take a 50 degree, here 50 degree pointed there. How much degree? 50 degree pointed there, and join it. And join it. Here 50 degree, here 40 degree, here end point 50 degree. If they meet it here, if we want to extend it, if we extended the 2 part of a line, right side and left side we extended, if we extended upward, okay, if we extended upward, they will meet, This is not a, say that answer. This is not a parallel line. They will meet. Okay, follow. Next, I show. Okay, got it. Draw this picture. Okay, find it these degrees. Okay. Next. Again. Again, we take the center of the protractor and put the first point of a line. Here line. Okay. Here 50 degree. And okay, join it. Joint. $50. Okay. Then right side, if we want to find it 70 degree. If we want to find it, this take our protractor and put the center of the protractor, put the end point of a line. Okay. Here, look, got it, and touch here. Then if we want to 70 degree, here dotted point we take, then we draw. Okay, join it. This point, join it. This is 70 degree. This also never meet. Do you? This meet. They will meet. If we extended in upward, this meet. This is not a parallel line. Then if we want to a right side of a line, how much degree? Then we get a parallel line. Look here, left side 50 degree, right side 70 degree. How much degree want to right sides of this line? We get a parallel line. Look here, here we want to a 50 degree, here 50 degree. So, we get a parallel line. Look here. Again, may I rub here? This point. This point. Here 50 degree. Okay, follow. 50. Left side 50 degree. Then, if we take the protractor and center of the protractor, put here end point of the line and pointed how much degree? 50 degree. Here look. 50 degree. Then joint. Then join it. Here 50 degree. Same to same. Here left side angle 50 degree, right side of the angle 50 degree, same to same. So, this is a, okay, very good, well done, parallel. This keep same distance throughout everywhere. These two lines, pair lines keep same distance everywhere. This is a parallel line. So, because here same measurement, sometimes difference here, that's meter. Okay. Here sometimes different measures that meet, but here same measures. So, here this is a parallel line. Okay, follow. Next, give this degree, very easy to draw this figure. Easy to draw a figure, this figure. Look here. First, draw a line. First, draw a line. Then first point, last point, 2 points. This is a line. Remember? Do you remember? This is a line. We get a line by joining how many points? How many? 2 points. 2 points. Okay. First, here, how much degree? 30 degree. We want to find here. Here, the center of the protractor, put the first point of a line. Put here. And 0, the same level. Okay, look. Same 0 and the center of the point. Then we want to find here 30 degree. How much degree? 30 degree. Then, okay, very good. Joined it. degree. Okay, got it? Draw it. Okay, 30 degree. Next here say, here 4 centimeter. Here 4 centimeter pointed here. 4 centimeter. Then we want to find here 4 centimeter. Look at here 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree. Next we want to draw a 4 centimeter pointed here. 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Okay, here named them A, B. Named them A, B. One line, left line. Then here 4 centimeter. Then we draw a through this point. We draw a line through this point. We draw a line through this point. Okay, we named them C, D. We named them C, D. This is the easy way to draw a parallel line. That's very simple. We want to find it first, the measure of 30 degree. Next, centimeter, 4 centimeter pointed here. Then draw a line through this point. We get a parallel line. Okay. Okay. Now, today's class is over. I think all students in the class follow this. Next day, you completed your notebook and show me through the WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you. Meet again.